அது அது
Ask me now.
இப்போ நாங்கள் ஒரு
So இதுவரை நடந்த டாபிக்ஸ் அண்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்ல யாருக்காவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் மீ. ஏதாச்சும் புரியல அப்படின்னா ப்ளீஸ் ஃபீல் ஃப்ரீ. ஏதாச்சும் பழைய போர்ஷன்ஸ்ல டவுட் இருந்தால் அதை நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளியர் பண்ணிக்கலாம் பிஃபோர் வி கோ டு த நியூ டாபிக். சரியா? எனி கொஸ்டின்ஸ்?
No, sir.
Okay. So I assume that இதுவரையிலே உள்ளது நீங்க you are good with all that so far. Okay. Now we will see derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. So what is the first one? Sine inverse x. Right? So y equal to sine inverse of x. So now what is dy by dx? So for this what we can do is y equal to sine inverse of x abdina, we can write it as the same as x equal to sine y. You all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Because,
sir.
yeah. Inverse is, basically if y is, this is by definition this is what it is. Y is sine inverse of x abdina, x is sine y. So then y is sine inverse of x. இப்போ now we know how to differentiate x equal to sin y. ரெண்டு சைடு நம்மளால differentiate பண்ண முடியும் இல்லையா? So let us differentiate left hand side. So dx by dx வந்து 1 இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now differentiate right hand side with respect to x. So what you will get? First இந்த மாதிரி இருந்தா எப்படி பண்ணோம்? Suppose we want to differentiate sin y with respect to x.
Cos y into dy by dx.
Correct. So we first differentiate with respect to y. So then you get cos y. Then you differentiate y with respect to x. This is what it is. So dx by dx equal to cos y into dy by dx. Okay. So that means this is 1, right? Left hand side is 1. So this is cos y dy by dx. So that means dy dx 1 by cos y. So now we have to get it in terms of x, right? Dy dx we want to get in terms of x. Because y equal to sine inverse of x அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்கு. So dy by dx should also be in terms of x, so not in terms of y. So now how can we get it in terms of x? Because cos y we want to write in terms of x, means we can write it as 1 by 1 root of 1 minus sine square y. இதுல cos square y cos y,
Yes.
yeah, cos y equal to 1 minus sine square y. Yeah, so we know that. So now we can write it like this: 1 by square root of 1 minus sine square y. But now sine y equal to x, right? Sine y equal to x.
Yes.
So that means this is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So dy dx of sine inverse of x, okay, is equal to 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so either number now. Next, let's do for cos. So this means so similarly, what is it for cos inverse x? இதுல we can do it in two ways. இந்த previous இப்ப நம்ம approach பண்ணமே அதே மாதிரியே போடலாம் இதையும். So y equal to cos inverse x is x equal to cos y, the same thing. Okay. So but there is also another easier approach. அது என்னன்னா there is a property of inverse, sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x equal to take any value like say pi by 2 அப்படின்னு எடுத்துட்டா sin inverse of pi by 2 sorry x equal to 1 ன்னு எடுத்துப்போம். Sorry, if you take x equal to 1, sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2 and cos inverse of 1 is 0. So sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x, what do you get?
1.
Yeah, you will always get it as pi by 2. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, so if you take x equal to half, then sin inverse of half in a 30 degree, yeah, or
5/6.
cos inverse of half in a 60 degree.
5/6.
So நீங்க இது வந்து எப்பவுமே இது ட்ரூ. sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x will be 30 plus 60 90 or pi by 2. Okay, so நீங்க triangle கூட பார்க்கலாம். If you give any value because sin of x equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x. So because those two are complementary. So from that you get like sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x equal to pi by 2.
So sin inverse of x எப்படி சார் 30 வருது?
sin 30 என்ன?
1/2 சார்.
1/2. So அப்படினா sin inverse of 1/2 என்ன? 30 degree. Yeah, sin of 30 is 1/2 அப்படினா sin inverse of 1/2 is 30 degree.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Okay sir. Thank you sir.
Okay. So this is always true. Sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x equal to pi by 2. So அதனால நம்ம என்ன எழுதலாம்? Cos inverse of x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x. இந்த property use பண்ணி we can find out the derivative of cos inverse of x. Equal to, so derivative of pi by 2 என்ன? Is constant, yeah. So constant or derivative is 0 minus sin inverse. We just know solve.
Under the root of 1 minus x square. So cos inverse of the derivative minus 1 by 1 minus x square. So sin inverse 1 by 1 root of 1 minus x square, cos inverse minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. அதே மாதிரி tan inverse. Let's do for tan now. அதே மாதிரி இப்ப tan inverse plus cot inverse is also equal to pi by 2 because x ஒரு ஆங்கிள் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா அதோட காம்ப்ளிமெண்டரி ஆங்கிள் அந்த ஆங்கிள் அந்த ரெண்டு tan of x equal to cot of pi by 2 minus x அப்படி வரும். So tan 30 will be equal to cos 60. So whatever we saw for sin and cos, the same holds for tan and cot, and same holds for secant and cosecant also. Okay. So அதனால நம்ம tan inverse secant inverse கண்டுபிடிச்சா போதும். So அதோட just negative sign போட்டனா cot inverse and cosecant inverse. So let's do for tan inverse.
Now let's do from the basics. So y equal to, sorry, so now we can write it as x equal to tan y. Right? So differentiating on both sides, you get 1 equal to, so what is d by dx of tan y?
Secant square y into dy by dx.
Secant square y into dy dx. Therefore, dy dx equal to 1 by
Secant
x. Now, but we know that tan y is x. So, we have to get this in terms of x. So, எப்படி பண்ணலாம்?
secant square minus set
Tan square minus 1.
Secant square y is equal to 1 plus tan square y. Correct? Always secant தான் பெருசு tan ஓட. Okay? So, secant square y will be 1 plus tan square y. Okay. Therefore, d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Note that the sign la square root இருந்துச்சு கீழ sin லையும் cos லையும் tan ல அது கிடையாது. Okay? Okay. So அதனால நம்ம we saw that tan and cot are complementary. அதனால d by dx of cot inverse x will be equal to minus அப்படி. Okay. Cot put. Now let's do secant. So y equal to secant inverse, right? X equal to secant y. So they whatever same method we use, 1 equal to. So what is the derivative of secant y?
tan
Secant y tan y into dy by dx.
Correct. Secant y tan dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx 1 by secant y tan y. So secant y we can substitute as x. The tan y can be written as
minus secant square
root of secant square y minus 1. Okay. Secant square y minus 1 equal to tan square y. That means this is 1 by x into root of square minus 1. Therefore, d by dx of secant inverse x is equal to 1 by x root of similarly using the same property like secant and cosecant, complementary. This will be minus. So it's all clear so far?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Let's do a problem now. Y equal to sine inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So what is it? So now let us take this 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal to u. Okay. So y equal to sine inverse of u. So what is dy dx? Equal to, first we'll differentiate this with respect to u and then multiply by du by dx. One by square root of one minus u square, right?
Yes, sir.
D by dx of u.
1 minus
Yeah.
x square divided by 1 plus x square.
Square. So now you can substitute. U equal to this 1 minus x square and so on. So let's do this part alone separately. Everything put on a will be confusing. So let us just take this one. Square root of 1 minus u square equal to square root of 1 minus correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is like a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square மாதிரி இருக்கு. So which is equal to 4ab. Right now. So this is equal to therefore 2x by 1 plus x square. Right? 4x square can square root to 2x. So 1 plus x square whole square or square root to 1 plus x square. Right? So now the square root sign is gone. So this root of 1 minus u square we have simplified as 2x by 1 plus x square. Now let's substitute. So what is dy by dx? One by this. So இது அப்படியே உல்டாவா போட்டுறேன். So this is 1 by square root of 1 minus u square and update 1 plus x square by 2x அப்படின்ட்டு. So what is now d by dx of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square? அது போடுவோம். So let us do this part alone. So this is like d by dx of some u by b. So we can use the formula quotient rule, which is, so what is the denominator?
1 plus x square.
V square. Correct? V square. Then V into u by dx, which is minus 2x. ஏதாவது doubt இருந்தா கேளுங்க. So then V. So V into du dx போட்டாச்சு. அடுத்தது u. Into dv dx, which is 2x. இப்போ நம்ம 2x அப்படியே கான்ஸ்டன்டா எடுத்துருவோம். 2x into 2x எடுத்துட்டா இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? மைனஸ் ஆஃப் 1 plus x square இங்க இருக்கு இல்லையா? அது minus 1 minus x square. இங்க 2x வெளில எடுத்துட்டா plus 1 minus x square. Sorry. I think I made a mistake. This is not plus. This will be minus. V du minus u dv. This should be minus, right? Okay. So, இது வந்து so since we have taken 2x out, minus 1 minus x square remains. Here we have taken 2x out, so this is minus 1 plus x square. You can see that minus x square plus x square, they get cancelled. So this is minus 2. Minus 2 into 2x and
minus 4x.
Minus 4x.
So this term becomes minus 4x by 1 plus x square whole square. So that is this term. Okay. So what is dy dx now? Dy dx equal to 1 plus x square by 2x into minus 4x by 1 plus x square the whole square. So இந்த 2x minus 4x கட் பண்ணிட்டு minus 2 போட்டுடலாம். அதே மாதிரி இதையும் 1 power will go. Square will become simply 1 plus x square now. So what will remain? Minus 2 by 1 plus x square. So this is the answer. So where y equal to sine inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square then your dy dx is equal to minus 2 by 1 plus x. It's all mostly, algebraic manipulations. Most of the derivatives problems will be like, a lot of algebraic manipulations. So, everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. There are more problems, but before that, I want to tell you one more concept. Okay. Equations, relation between y and x can be represented in terms of what is called parametric method or parametric functions. So, these are called parametric equations. See, we say y, the relation between y and x can be represented as y can be written as some function of t, and suppose x is another function of t. So both can be represented in terms of t. For example, we say y equal to 2t and x equal to 4t square, something. So then this is also a way of representing relation between y and x. So if we simplify panni, we can get it in terms of relation between y and x. Okay, so this is one way of representing the relations. This is called the parametric equations. Okay, so y equal to f of t and x equal to g of t. So then what is dy dx? Equal to, so since this is a function of t, we can differentiate y with respect to t. Okay. So this is your formula. So if y is f of t and g is x is g of t, then the dy dx, derivative of y with respect to x, can be written as derivative of y with respect to t divided by derivative of x with respect to t. So in the case like it is y equal to 2t, x equal to 4t square அப்படின்றதுனா dy dt என்ன 2, dx dt
80.
8t.
8.
Yeah. Therefore, dy dx,
1 by 40.
yes, 2 by 80 or 1 by 4. So we can do like that. Okay. Let's do a problem in this method. Okay. So let us see. Let's say x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square and y equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. So can you find out dy dx? How do you do that? We first differentiate x with respect to t, then y with respect to t, and then take dy dt divided by dy dx is equal to dy dx. Okay. So let's do that. Dx dt equal to, so this u by v formula, yeah, 1 plus t square the whole square v into du dt minus so here the same thing similar to the last problem, right?
So on doubt. Sir, minus 2t எப்படி சார் வந்துச்சு?
Oh, I have written v first. V is 1 plus t square, yeah? V.
Yes, sir.
V into du dt. So here u and the 1 minus t square. So what is the derivative of 1 minus t square? 1 ஓடது வந்து 0 ஆயிடும்.
Yes, sir. 0.
So 0 minus 2t, இல்லையா?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, so that's the width, 0 minus 2t.
Okay.
So அதே மாதிரி தான் இதுவும் 1 minus t square into d by dt of 1 plus t square, which is 1 plus t square வந்து 0 plus 2t னு வரும். So that is 2t.
Yes, sir.
இப்போ இதுல ரெண்டுலயும் 2t காமனா இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி similar to last problem. 2t into minus 1 minus t square minus 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square equal to 2t into minus 2 equal to minus 4t divided by 1 plus t square whole square.
ஒரு அந்த ஜிபே ஒரு 40 rupees அப்படியா இவ்வளவு.
This is where dx dt. Similarly, let us do dy dt. T by 1 plus t square, இல்லையா? நான் இங்கே எழுதிக்கிறேன் y equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. So dy dt is 1 plus t square, v square, the whole square. Then v into du by dt 2 minus u into dv dt, which is 2t. Two plus 2t square minus 4t square. Two into 1 minus t square. Okay. So this dy dt is 2 into 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, the whole square. This is where dy dt. So what is dy dx? Dy dt
D by x by d.
Correct. So that means 2 into 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, the whole square. That is your dy dt divided by dx dt. இல்லையா? அதை நான் இப்போ தலைக்கீழ் எழுதிருக்கேன். Minus 4t by 1 plus t square whole square இருக்கிறதுனால one plus t square whole square minus 4t. இப்படி போட்டோம். இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது அப்படியே கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். So 1 plus t square whole square, 1 plus t square whole square, get cancelled. So what you get is
4 into
yeah,
minus 4t.
minus 4t.
So 4 and 2 cancel ஆகுங்களா சார்?
கேன்சல் ஆகும், கண்டிப்பாக கேன்சல் ஆகும்.
ஓகே சார்.
1
Okay,
1 minus t square by 2t minus 2t.
correct. So 2 will go away now. 1 minus t square by minus 2t ன்னு வந்துரும். Or இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? t square minus 1 by 2t ன்னு எழுதலாம். Multiplying by minus both the numerator and denominator, so that so we don't put minus in the denominator. அதனால நம்ம we put like that. t square minus 1 by 2t. Okay. Please check it out. Make sure you understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay. Let's do one more problem. Similar problem. X equal to a cos cube t, y equal to a okay. So நீங்க போடணும் இது. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
dx by dt, let us say I want one of you to tell me. What is dx dt? A is constant. A அப்படியே இருக்கும். So cos cube t, if you want to differentiate with respect to t, cos cube t is something like u cube, where u is cos t, right? So we differentiate with respect to cos t first. So cos cube t with respect to cos t, என்ன வரும்? u cube, differentiation of u cube என்ன?
3 cos square t into minus
3 cos square t. So that is your first term, right? Cos cube t with respect to cos t is 3 cos square t. So what is the derivative of cos t with respect to t?
minus sin t.
Minus sin t, correct. So this is it. A into 3 cos square t into minus sin t. This is your dx dt. Equal to minus 3a okay. So this is your dx dt. Similarly, do your dy dt.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
dt value.
So
Yeah,
dy
tell me.
by dt is equal to minus cos t divided by sin t.
My sir, 3a sin
Yeah.
square t into cos t, sir.
Correct. So a அப்படியே இருக்கும். Sin cube t with respect to sin t வந்து 3 sin square t, and the sin t with respect to t is cos t. That means this is plus 3a sin square t cos t. So now dy dx equal to dy dt divided by dx dt equal to 3a sin square t cos t divided by minus 3a cos square t sin t.
Sir, tan square t, sir, minus tan square t into cot t, sir.
Okay. Okay. So இன்னும் simplify பண்ணலாம். So tan cos t, cot t is again 1 by tan t, இல்லையா?
Yes, sir. The
So
tan
what
t
will
and
happen? அவ்வளவுதான். 3 cancel ஆயிடும். a cancel ஆயிடும். இந்த
Minus
sin
tan
t
t.
யும் ஸ்கொயரும் போயிடும். வெறும் ஒரு sin t தான் இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த cos t யும் இந்த ஸ்கொயரும் போயிடும். So what you get is minus sin t by cos t. That is sin t by cos t என்ன?
minus tan t.
Minus tan t. That's all. Okay. So there are a few more problems exercise. They concept da. There is nothing. There is no new concept here. They da. But there is a lot of algebra involved. So we practice pannu some problems ninga pote. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is y equal to tan inverse 6x by 1 minus 9x square. So, this is the problem. சரி நீங்க போடுங்க இத. Let's see who gets the answer. ஓகே. ஸோ யாராச்சும் இது போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? ஏதாவது a few steps. யார் போட்டிருக்காங்க?
Sir,
ம்,
no doubt, sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
dy by dt போடுற சார். அப்போ dy எப்படி சார் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்றது?
ஓகே, இது எப்படின்னா
Sir, dy by dx is equal to 6 into 1 plus 9x square divided by 1 plus 63x power 4.
ஓகே ஓகே
dy by dx is equal to 6 plus 54 divided by 1 minus 27 1 plus 27x square, sir.
ஓகே, உங்க ஆன்சரை வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ வில் ஒர்க் அவுட். ஓகே, ஸோ நம்ம u ஈக்குவல் டு 6x பை 1 மைனஸ் 9x ஸ்கொயர்னு அப்படின்னு போட்டுக்கிறோம். அப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுது? y ஈக்குவல் டு tan இன்வர்ஸ் u ஆயிடுது. ஸோ dy by dx equal to dy du into du dx. So that is your chain rule. So first we differentiate this tan inverse u with respect to u, and then we differentiate u with respect to x. So du by derivative of tan inverse u with respect to u, அது என்ன வரும்? 1 by
1 plus
1 by 1 plus x square, sir.
u square. இல்லையா? Here we are using the letter u. Here d by du of tan inverse u அப்படிங்கும்போது 1 by 1 plus u square into d by dx of u. So you all agree with this? Final
Yes, sir.
result is going to be 1 by 1 plus u square into d by dx of 6x divided by 1 minus 9x square. Right?
Yes, sir.
No. Now this u we have to eliminate. We have to substitute u equal to whatever value. So we'll do 1 plus u square. Huh? What is 1 plus u square? Equal to 1 plus 6x by correct. If you have a complex equation, step by step இந்த மாதிரி போட்டுக்கலாம் நம்ம. First just look at 1 plus u square. அவ்வளவுதான். So this is what you get, right? 1 plus 6x by 1 minus 9x square, the whole square. So that means 1 plus 6x whole square divided by 1 minus 9x square. You all agree so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One minute. So we have to expand it here. 1 minus 18x square plus 81x power 4. Right? 1 minus 9x square the whole square and expand பண்ணிருக்கேன் plus 36x square whole divided by இதை நம்ம expand பண்ண வேண்டாம் இப்படியே வச்சுக்கணும் minus 9 square the whole square because it will get cancelled out later அதனால இதை நம்ம கீழே உள்ளதை அப்படியே வச்சுக்கணும் so that means 1 plus 18x square plus 81x power 4 so you see that this becomes 1 plus 9x square. You all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 plus u square நம்ம evaluate பண்ணியாச்சு. So then what will be 1 by 1 plus u square will be
1 minus 9x square the whole square divided by 1 plus 9x square the whole square.
correct. Sure. So we have come up to this 1 by 1 plus u square. So what remains is d dx of 6x by 1 minus nx whole square. அது போடுவோம். Six x by 1 minus 9x square. So what will this be? So this is like u by v, yeah. So what is the formula? Here on the
B square.
E square
v square. First v square potential. Okay. Next, here we put v first.
into du divided by d.
So
dx.
this is v into du. Du enna? 6. Correct?
6, sir.
So v du minus u dv. dv enna?
Minus 18x.
Very good. So, இதை நம்ம simplify பண்ணுவோம் 6 minus 54x square plus 108x square. So 6 plus 6 common எடுத்துடலாம் 6 into 1 plus 9x square divided by 1 minus 9x square the whole square. Right. So this is a dx of 6x by 1 minus 9x square. So what is your dy dx now? Now we bring all the terms, whatever we have calculated, we will put them all together. dy dx equal to 1 by 1 plus u square. That is 1 minus 9x square the whole square. By, sorry, first y, right? Which is whole square 6 into 1 plus 9x square u whole square divided by 1 minus 9x square u whole square. Right? So you see that a lot of terms get cancelled out.
Sir, 6 into 1 plus 9 x square only, no, sir.
The whole square கிடையாது இல்லையா? So,
Yes, sir.
இப்போ here these two will get cancelled out completely. So இதுல 1 மட்டும் cancel ஆகும். So the square will go. This will remain. So what will remain is 6 by 1 plus
1 plus 9x square.
So that's the answer. All right. Okay. So all of you got it? Understood, right? Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Let's do one more problem.
Sir, ஒரு டவுட் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க.
சார் 1 plus 9x ஸ்கொயரும் 1 minus 9x ஸ்கொயரும் அந்த ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் எப்படி சார் கேன்சல் ஆச்சு?
We cancelled out. இங்க ஒரு 1 minus 9x square the whole square, இங்க ஒரு 1 minus 9x square the whole square இருக்கா? அது ரெண்டையும் கேன்சல் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.
மேல பிளஸ் தானே சார் இருக்கு?
இல்லையே, இங்க இந்த சைடு நெகட்டிவ் இருக்கு இல்லையா? இந்த நெகட்டிவ் கேன்சல் ஆயிருக்கு.
ஓகேங்க சார்.
இந்த பிளஸும் கேன்சல் ஆயிருக்கு. இந்த பிளஸ் ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கு, இங்க ஒன்ஸ் அது இருக்கு. அதனால 1 factor will get cancelled out. So 1 plus 9x square will remain. This is equal to 1 plus 9x square into 1 plus 9x square இல்லையா? ஸ்கொயர் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால so 1 will get cancelled.
ஓகே சார்.
Got it? So what is this 1 plus 9x square will remain. Understood?
எஸ் சார்.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll do one more problem, and I think we can stop with that. No, why it's not okay. Taking a lot of time. Okay. Let's do this problem. Y equal to this will be the last problem. Okay. Tan inverse of cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x. So you can try to do this. It looks like a big problem, but you know it will know a lot of computations, but ultimately a lot of things will get cancelled out and you will get a very simple answer. Okay. அப்படிதான் இருக்கும் typically, you know, this kind of differentiation problems. So we have to take u equal to cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x as usual. Now dy by du equal to, so if you know y equal to tan inverse of u, no? So dy by du equal to, so what is tan inverse or the differentiation derivative?
1 by 1 plus u.
1 by 1 plus u square.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So, so let us do this 1 by 1 plus u square. Like the same thing we did in the last problem. Start with simple steps. Just do 1 plus u square. அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அதை 1 plus cos x plus sin x
Sir, answer 2 வருது sir.
So you were able to complete it.
Sir, 1 plus u square is equal to 2, sir.
1 plus u square equal to 2. 1 plus u square. Let me do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the denominator will keep it as cos x minus sin x the whole square. The numerator, this will be cos x minus sin x the whole square plus so this is like a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is 4ab, yeah. Four plus sorry a minus b whole square plus it means it's not 4ab, it is 2 into a square plus b square. Okay, let me write step by step. Okay, this is cos square x plus sin square x minus 2 cos x sin x plus cos x sin x. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ 2 cos x sin x will get cancelled out. So you get 2 into cos square x plus sin square x. So but we know that cos square x plus sin square is equal to 1. அதனால numerator is 2 like you said, correct. So 2 by so this is your 1 plus u square. Okay. Now dy du is 1 by 1 plus u square. Yeah? So dy by du is equal to here நம்ம இன்வெர்ஸ் பண்ணிடுறோம். Cos x minus sin x whole square whole divided by 2. No. Now let's do the other term. So, plus u square potache, dy du potache. So what remains is du dx. Cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x. So So this will be, the denominator will be, so u by b, right? V square kila from v into du. Du and cos x or the derivative,
minus sin x
right? Sin x or the derivative,
plus cos x.
right? So this is your v du போட்டாச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் minus u dv போடணும். u dv is
Minus sin x
minus sin x.
minus cos x.
Correct. So let us simplify this. This is cos x minus sin x into cos x minus sin x. So this is cos x minus sin x whole square minus இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த minus and if you take it out, this becomes sin x plus cos x. So this is also sin x plus cos x. So minus into minus into plus side.
Yes.
Okay, agreed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So இப்போ இது cos, இப்போ denominator நம்ம அப்படியே வச்சுப்போம். ஏன்னா மேல உள்ளதுலயும் அந்த cos x minus sin x whole square இருக்கு. So that will get cancelled out. அதனால so this numerator மட்டும் நம்ம simplify பண்ணிப்போம். So what is the cos x minus sin x the whole square is again இதுல minus 2 cos x sin x, இதுல plus 2 cos x sin x வரும். So ரெண்டும் cancel ஆயிடும். So this will become 2 cos square x plus sin square x plus cos square x plus sin square x. முன்னாடி இதே தான் வந்தது. Do you remember? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So that will become simply 2. யாருக்காச்சும் இது புரியலன்னா think about it, work it out. I can wait. மேல உள்ளது எப்படி 2 ஆச்சு அப்படின்னு. So everybody agree?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we got du by dx and dy by du. So now we put them together. First நம்ம என்ன போட்டுருக்கோம், dy du cos x minus sin x whole square by 2 into du by dx வந்து 2 by அப்படியே வந்துருச்சு.
Answer 1, sir.
Answer 1. அவ்வளவுதான். They will all get cancelled out. The answer is 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all, I hope you followed all the problems that we worked out today, all of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So what about Santana Mariraj and Madhumita, Vijayalakshmi?
Sir?
புரிஞ்சது இல்லையா? All these steps?
Yes, sir.